Good morning, student. Today we are going to study our last chapter of English 2, which is lesson 6, People Who Help Us. In school or neighbor or many places we are having the people who help us in our need. So let's start our lesson. I go to school by bus. Amar drives the bus. Deepak is our peon. He is a tall man. He rings the bell. Miss Rose sits in the office. She is in a red dress. She works on the computer. Abdul is a good carpenter. He repairs big desks and small benches. There are many people who help us. We must be grateful to them. So here we are going to study the person who help us, what they call. According to this chapter, here who drive the bus, they are called drivers. Who ring the bell, they are called peon. And who do the works of desk and bench, they are called the carpenters. So we can come to the exercise. You can see right side word power is there. Grateful meaning is thankful. Testive reading, first one, write who does what in the lesson. Who rings the bell? Already read. Answer is written, Deepak. Who sits in the office? Miss Rose. Who repairs desks and benches? Carpenter. Who drives the buses? Amar. Second one, match the item in list A with the item in list B. So this one you have to do it by your own self. Learning grammar. Deepak is a tall man. The word tall describe man. We can describe a naming words by adding some words. So describing words can be described by adding some words. You can see here in third exercise. Now choose the correct describing words to complete the sentence. First one, Anil has a dash ball. In the bracket it is written big, small. And you can see in the picture also. After seeing the picture you can identify. Anil has a big ball. The elephant is a dash animal. Fat, thin, fat. It is a dash car. It is a blue car. This is a dash woman. Old, young, old. It is a dash apple. Red, blue, red. The cup has dash ice cream. Hot, cold, cold. And last one, read the poem and color the picture. So you have to read this poem and you have to color the pictures with your different choice. I am a teacher, come to me, let us learn 1, 2, 3. This poem is on teacher. Next one, I am a doctor, I make you well. If you fall ill, please come and tell. So what is the dress of doctor? You have to color according to that. Policeman in uniform looks so smart. Day and night he works so hard. I am a pilot up in the sky. With my plane I fly so high. So these all things you have to do it by your own self. And this word power you have to write in your copy. Rest other exercise do it in your book with a good handwriting. After completing this chapter, our syllabus is over in English 2 from lesson 1 to 6. You have to learn and prepare for your online test exam.